Today we are exploring the ADE CLI, a terminal-first tool built to give your agents fast, structured access to agentic document extraction. Unlike SDKs that generate complex stack traces, the CLI gives agents a clean contract, single command runs, deterministic JSON on standard out, and zero virtual environment dependencies. It ships as one standalone binary for all major platforms, no Python interpreter needed, no package manager required. Install is one line. It detects your platform, drops the binary in place, and symlinks it onto your path. Updates are automatic. ADE checks releases in the background and updates in place, verifying checksums so your agents stay on the latest features. One login command covers both worlds. At your desk, it opens a browser, does OAuth, and stores refreshable tokens locally. In CI or Docker, set ADE-API_key, or pipe a key straight into the same command. To demonstrate how it works, let's run a live example. Copy the installation command directly from the LandingAI ADE-CLI Git repo into the terminal. Once installed, execute ADE auth login, which will instantly redirect you to a secure browser authentication page. After granting permission, local environment authorization completes automatically. Now we can start processing some documents. Point ADE at a document with AD Parse and convert it into clean Markdown and structured grounded JSON. Every run is stored locally and keyed by a hash of the file, the parameters, and the environment. Run the same command again and it's served from disk. Zero API calls, zero cost. When running an extraction, ADE extract detects the prior parse result, reuses the local artifacts without duplicating parsing requests. Every extracted value links directly back to exact page bounding boxes. Your agent doesn't just get data, it gets verifiable, audit-ready citation coordinates. 3 more local commands are available with no API cost. View builds a self-contained HTML viewer where clicking an element highlights its box. Crop slices blocks out to PNGs. Find runs a regex across every block and tells you which block and page each hit is on. Let's put it to the test. We run ADE parse invoice.pdf directly in the command line. The document processes. Subsequently, executing ADE view initializes a local web server to inspect the results interactively in your browser. This launches a clean, dual-pane interface. The left pane renders the original invoice PDF with visual bounding boxes, while the right pane lets you seamlessly toggle between the structured Markdown output and the complete grounded JSON payload. Running ADE help JSON exposes a stable, self-discoverable JSON surface for all available commands and flags, ensuring your coding agents never hallucinate parameters. Visit the Git repo in the description box below and start building today.